Today is April 23. It is a Sunday, so the market is closed. However, we can still look at the Meta unusual options on the last trading day of Friday. Earnings is coming up, as you'll see, on April 26. So we are keeping a close eye on Meta. And so when we looked at these unusual options on April 21, the most significant one we found was this 1249 one here. These 160 strike puts and the 160 strike calls, because the other large quantities here and here, they were not necessarily open orders because the volume was less than the open interest. So we wanted to focus on this trade. As you'll see here on the May 19th here, this 160 strike call here is the volume is greater than that open interest. So we know this is a open order here. Even the put side here, it's very close to the open interest. It's only a difference by 100 shares or contracts. So quite a coincidence. So we believe that this is buying the 160 puts and then selling the 160 calls. And so what that is doing is a synthetic short position for Meta. As you can see here, Meta is trading at 213. And so as the price goes down on this x-axis, the profit loss is above the zero line, which is here on the y-axis. So it will increase as it goes down more. And so this is a short. It will lose, it'll have a loss if the price goes up. So this is basically like owning 100 shares of stock. That's why it's a negative 100 delta, or shorting 100 shares of stock. The benefit of having options is there's actually a positive theta, and it's, if you had stocks, it would be a zero theta. So that's a slight difference there. You also have leverage. You don't have to spend as much. You have to spend a lot more to short 100 shares of stock compared to the synthetic trade. And so this, based on this current data, we're thinking that Meta could still actually drop after earnings. But that's just kind of tentative because we still have a few more days before earnings. So we'll keep monitoring this stock to see if there are any other unusual options to validate and confirm this, or maybe to take the opposite side. And until we have more data come in, then we'll put on a position. So make sure you are subscribed and you have the bell icon notifying you whenever we see any updates on these unusual options for Meta. They have been very helpful, especially last week when we predicted the Tesla earnings. We'll put that link also at the end of this video, so you can also see how we did it with Tesla. All right. Well, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give us a like. It helps us make more videos. And subscribe, and take care, and good luck, everybody. Have a good weekend.